Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are about to go inside of CVS. This week is amazing. First of all, we are almost at 9,000 subscribers. I want to thank each and every one of you so much. I appreciate you. When I get to 9,000 subscribers, we will have another giveaway. So thank you guys so much again, and let's jump into this week's deals. Okay guys, so this is my Colgate oral care deal. So the mouthwash and the toothbrush is $4.49. Purchase two, get a $5 extra care buck. These right here, it's $7.99. This one is also $7.99. Buy two, get a $6 extra care buck. There are $2 digitals for each one of these. A $2 digital for this one and a $3 digital for this one. My store is out of the other one that I have a $3 digital for. So for everything here, it's $24.96. I have a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT. All the coupons come off. I'm gonna pay $10.96 and I'll get $11 back. I'll get $5 for buying two and $6 for buying two, making them all free. So Colgate is two for $7.98. Purchase two, get a $4 extra care buck. I picked up four, which is $15.96. I used four of these $2 off coupons. I paid $7.96 and I got $8 back, making them free and a 4-cent moneymaker. Okay guys, so I am picking up two of the Irish Spring and my store is not tagged at all for anything. So I am picking up two and it's $4.99. That's going to be $9.98. I have a 3 off of 2 CRT and I'm going to be using two of these $1 off coupons. I'm going to pay $4.98 and I'll get $3 back, making it $1.98 or 99 cents each. Okay guys, so this is my Revlon deal. Revlon is spend 12, get $5 back. I am picking up four of the lip kiss bombs at $5.49. One of the pencils at $8.69. So I'm gonna use these $3 off coupons for the lip and one of the $3 coupons for the eye. So for everything here is $30.65. I have a 5 off of 25 Revlon CRT and a $3 CRT. I'm going to use four of the $3 coupons for the lips, one for the eye. I'm going to pay $7.65 and I'll get $10 back. I'll also get $3 back in beauty because I spent $30. So this would all be free and a $5.35 moneymaker. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is the Physicians Formula. It's spend 12, get $8 back. I'm picking up one of the eyeliners at $11.99. I'm going to use this $3 off CRT. I'm going to pay $8.99, but I'm going to get $8 back, making the final cost just 99 cents. Okay guys, so I am picking up two of the Jergens and I would get two small ones, but my store only have one, so I'm going to pick up one big one for $7.59, one small one at $4.99, but it's going to be 40% off at $2.99. So for both, it's going to be $10.58. I have a 5 off of 2 CRT. I have a $1.50 printable, and there's also a $1.50 digital coupon would attach to the other bottle. I'm going to pay $2.58 and I'll get $2 back, making it just 58 cents for both. Okay, so the next thing I am picking up is this Alka Salsa. It's $4.79. I'm going to use this $1 off manufacturer's coupon. I have a $3 off CRT, which is going to bring the cost down to 79 cents. Okay, so the next thing I am picking up is one of these CVS Medicated heat patches. It's $1.99. I have a $2 pain CRT that's attaching to this, making it completely free. Okay, so some of the Crest and Oral-B products, it's $3.49. Purchase 3, get a $5 extra care buck. I am picking up 6 of the Oral-B toothbrushes and I broke them up into 2 transactions. So $3.49 by 3, that's going to be $9.97. I'm going to use 3 of the expired $2 off coupons. I'm going to pay $3.97, getting $5 back, making 3 of them completely free and a $1.03 moneymaker. So I did this deal 2 times, so it was all free and a $2.06 moneymaker. Hey guys, so CoverGirl is buy 2, get $7 back. I am picking up one of these blush at $7.29 and one of the mascara at $8.49. So for these 2 products, it's going to be $15.78. I have a $2 printable for the mascara, and I'm going to try to use this CoverGirl Clean Beauty for this right here. It says Clean Classic. I don't know if it's going to work or not. If it does work, then I'll pay $7.78 and I'll get $7 back, making them both just 78 cents. Okay, so Maybelline, it's buy 2, get $5 back. I am picking up 2 of the eyeshadows at $4.29. There is a $3 off Maybelline CRT. I'm going to pay $5.56 and I'll get $5 back, making them just 56 cents, but it tracks towards beauty. Okay, so the next deal we're doing is L'Oreal, spend $30, get $10 back. I am picking up one of the Revitalift hyaluronic acid at $31.49. I have 2 $6 off CRTs and 2 5 off of 15. I'm also going to use this $2 off expired manufacturer's coupon. After all of the coupons, I'm going to pay $7.49. I'll get $10 back, making it free and a $2.51 moneymaker. But I spent $30, so in 48 hours, I'm going to get a $3 beauty buck, which is going to make it free and a $5.51 moneymaker. Okay, guys, so I picked up 4 of these Scott paper towels. It's $5.99. Spend 20, get $5 back. So for 4, it's going to be $23.96. I had a 4 off of 20 Scott CRT. I paid $19.96 and I got $5 back, making it just $14.96. But we got that. I had a $20 beauty buck that I had no idea I was getting. So this is like free money. So I got $20. So that covered the cost of my paper towels and I still had some change. So final price, $14.96, and I got that $5 back. So this made it completely free. Okay guys, so this is my spend 30 get 10 deal. So these are all $5.94, all of these products. So everything is going to be $29.70. I'm going to use the $3 coupon for the liquid detergent and the $3 Downy coupon for these beads right here. I'm going to pay $14.70 and I'll get $10 back, making everything just $4.70. Okay, so the next deal I am doing is the Epic hair care deal. I'm picking up 2 of the Dove at $6.99. Purchase 2, get a $2 extra care buck. I'm going to use this 4 off of 2 coupon from coupons.com. There is also a $4 off of 2 digital coupon. So I'm going to pay $5.98, getting $2 back, making it just $3.98. Okay, so the next thing I'm picking up is 2 of the whole blends. It's spend 15, get $5 back. So both of them at $8.69. It's $17.38. I'm going to use a 4 off of 2 coupon from coupons.com. There is a 4 off of 2 digital as well. I'm going to pay $9.38. I'll get $5 back, making the final cost just $4.38. Okay, so the Molly is buy 1, get 1 50% off. Purchase 2, get a $4 extra care back. I am picking up one at $9.99. The other one is going to be $9.79 at half price. It's going to be $4.89. I'm going to use this $2 off printable coupon from coupons.com. The second bottle, I'm going to use a $2 digital coupon. I'll pay $10.88, getting $4 back, making the final cost $6.88. Okay, so the L'Oreal, it's buy 2, get $4 back. I am picking up 2 at $4.99. That's $9.98. I'm going to use a 3 off of 2 paper coupon that's expired. If you don't have this 3 off of 2 coupon, there is also a coupon on coupons.com you can print as well. So I'm going to use that. There is also a 3 off of 2 digital. I'm going to pay $3.98, but I'll get $4 back, making it free and a 2-cent moneymaker. And all of these deals track towards beauty. Okay, so Clairol is buy 2, get $4 back. I am picking up 2 at $7.99. That's $15.98. There is a buy 1, get 1 digital coupon that's going to come off when I use this 5 off of 2 coupon. So I'm going to pay $2.99, but I'll get $4 back, making it free and a $1.01 moneymaker. Okay guys, so this is everything for the hair care deal. For everything here, it's $72.20. We have that $15 off when you spend $60, and we have $38.99 in coupons, leaving you to pay $18.21. Then you're going to get back $19. So you're going to get back $4 for purchasing 2 of the Clairol, $4 for purchasing 2 of the Maui, $4 for 2 of the L'Oreal, $2 for 2 of the Dove, and you're going to get back $5 for the whole blends. So that's $19, and we spend $60 in hair care. So in 48 hours, we're going to get $6 back, leaving everything to be free and a $6.79 moneymaker. Okay, so I'm picking up 2 of the Snuggle. It's $2.99. I'm picking up 2. That's going to be $5.98. I'm going to use this 2 off of 2 Snuggle CRT. And I have 2 $1 coupons I printed from AskTeamClean.com. That's going to take a total of $4 off, leaving me to pay $1.98 or just 99 cents for each one. Okay guys, so the total home, I forgot to record this portion at the store. So this is $3.99. I had a CRT for buy 1, get 1 free, and that's taking off a total of $7.79. So that was just 19 cents for these 2 of the wipes, okay? Okay, so the paparazzi as well, I did not do an in-store clip. They're on sale this week for 99 cents. I had a CRT for $2 off when you purchase 3, making it just 99 cents for 3 or 33 cents for each one. Okay, so I wanted to show this. I did the Revlon deal a second time because I had 2 5 off of 25 Revlon CRTs. So I ended up doing that another time as well. So just wanted to point that out. So yeah, this is everything I picked up. If you want me to go through some of my receipts, which they are a lot, let me show you some of my receipts really quick. So this receipt right here is for the hair care deal. So this is a Dove. You can see everything there, the Maui. These are all the coupons I showed you, and the digitals came off as well. I used a $15 extra care buck, and I paid $3.21. I did not have any smaller CRTs, so not CRTs, extra bucks. Otherwise, I could have used a $3 one and paid 21 cents, but I had no small ones. So the $7.99 came off along with that $5 paper coupon. And so 15 and 3, that's $18.21. And I got back $4 for purchasing the Clairol. I got back $4 for the Maui. I got back $4 for the L'Oreal. I got back $2 for the Dove. And I got back $5 for the Garnier, which is $19, making all of the hair care completely free. This receipt right here is for the Colgate and the Oral-B. Those coupons came off, like I mentioned, my $3 Physicians Formula, 41 cents. And I got back $5 for the Oral-B. I got $8 for the Physicians Formula. And I got back $5 for the Crest. The first $5 is for the Colgate. Let's see. Next, right here. This is my Gain and Revlon. So this is everything, all of my coupons. You can see that. I'm not going to go through all of the receipts. So I got the $10 back for spending $24 in Revlon. Let's see. This one is the Maybelline, that $3 CRT. I used a $5 coupon, paid 58 cents, and then I got my $5 back. So I'm not going to go through all of the receipts, so let me just toss them over to the side. So guys, this is everything I picked up. Everything was completely free, and I made over $16 by purchasing these items. So if you have these coupons, do not hesitate to go to the store and get these products. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.